Hello there guys, welcome back to the e-bike repairs YouTube channel. My name's Darsh and I take apart and fix very fun and exciting stuff. Today we've got in this is a battery from a Electrobike. Oh, sorry, Electrobike should I say. We've got a sticker here, it says 36 volt 8 amp hour Powertronic lithium ion battery pack. So it's like a silverfish style case. Not quite sure on the dimensions, I wonder if it's a little different from normal. We've got key switch here, fuse there, charge port there, discharge ports here. Yeah, it's not quite the same format, I don't think. It's not working properly. I suspect it's very old. That's the thought here. So I'm going to take these screws off. I've got two little Phillips head screws there. I've got two little Phillips screws here. Just like that. The top's going to come off. The screws are going to come out. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. They look like that. Pop them in my little tray over there. And then we've got loads of bloody silicon. Of course we do. Why wouldn't we? Love this game. It's my favourite. See if I can take a pointy object. Nope, doesn't really reach down far enough. I've got somewhere. We could try this. I've got this stabby device. That kind of works, doesn't it? Getting a bit of that off. It's a bit of it. A bit of that. Bit of that over there in that corner, and a bit of that over there in that corner. We're going to have to take the bottom off as well. Should I write on it? No, the stickers will line up when I put it back together, that's fine. So we've got the same situation on the bottom with the discharge port side. 4 Phillips head screws. I'm just using a posi 2 bit because it works. These ones are much longer, it turns out. Much longer. I reckon these would be a right pain to find new ones of because they're long, thin screws. Pop that off there. Oh look. Fascinating, a sticker. Let's give this one a little choppy chop. Choppy. Look at that. A test sticker. I think that might say 11. Oh, very exciting. Can't read any of it. But there's information on there. Cared about that. It's just going to fall out, right? It's just going to come straight out. Yep. All the silicon is holding it in. What about a good whack on its bottom? Or 2 whacks on its bottom? Come on, loosen up. Nope, not a hope. Well, would have been nice if it was easy, wouldn't it? I think I need this thing. A big spudger. And I've got to go all the way around it until there's nothing holding it in. Just jamming a metal object straight into the side of the battery pack there. Very safe. Obviously. What have we got? Movement? Please have movement. Beg you. Feels loose at the bottom, but not up here. So you don't really want to chop through the cables or anything. Entertaining as that might be, not really a very good idea. Oh yeah, what do we think about now? That feels more promising, doesn't it? Getting that out. I think that this is gonna. Oh no, it might. Come on. Big push. Oh no, not yet. Wow. Had a nice block of wood somewhere. The wood bit for pushing. Let's try that. Or tapping. You can't quite see what I'm doing, but I'm going to be doing tapping. Bear with me a moment. Oh, we've got movement. It's coming. How exciting. Yes. Ouch, come boy. So what this battery pack is doing is cutting out repeatedly. So it'll go, you turn it off, turn it on, it'll go for a bit more. Classic sign of unhappy / dead cells, basically. That's what we've got going on there. I think I'm going to have to keep tapping this till it removes itself. Right, the pack is out, but the end was stuck. There we go, freedom. Okay, let's see. This feels like pouch cells, I think. See what we've got under here. At the edge of a bit of fiberboard. Fantastic. Yeah, I see pouch cells, I think. Most manufacturers don't build with pouch cells anymore, so you normally know that the battery's getting on a bit when you see them. Oh, is that pouch cells or is that a funny BMS? That's a funny BMS, never mind. They don't make you easy to get into, do they? Ah, these pouch cells. It is. I can see them up here. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pouch cells, so 10S. Right, I am back. I apologise about that. Oh, you don't even know. The video just cut for you. Found myself with the urgent need to use the little boy's room. Nice. So, we've got 7 pouch cells in here, and I'm trying to unglue all this so I can get to the BMS and have a little look. I'm suspecting that we've got some less than super happy cells. It's going to be my guess here, given, you know, the whole I was made in 2011, 13 years ago kind of situation. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm a little bit intrigued to look at this BMS. It looks all snazzy and encased in aluminium. Aluminum. Let's see. Oh, you're really quite stuck, sir. Get off my cells. Thank you. So interesting, I don't see any terribly puffy cells, which is sort of my first concern when looking at these things. I might have just bent that one a little bit. But, overall, they're a little puffed, but not, you know, horrendous. They were certainly squeezing against the outside of the packaging. Let's have a look at this. I wonder if that's meant to say model there, not Moel. CWJZ857V7. Telephone number 0755296771167. Fax number. Date 2013. There you go. 2013 0706. Now I know the BMS could be, well, no, the battery pack would have been assembled. Someone's telephone number. Interesting. I didn't put that on the internet. It's fine. It's all okay. I'm going to go ahead and say without even measuring the voltages, that we've got a little bit of a cell issue, just given the age of these pouches. Now, I can get the balance lead out and I can have a look. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 leads, which is perfect. It's what we want to see. We've got charge and power, might be separate. Blue's probably neg. Yeah, B10, B1, excuse me, a battery minus there. Realistically, this customer, oh, that's not a good thing to have lying around. This customer is probably going to a new pack, I would imagine, but let's have a little look. I always like to check. Plug this into my super duper handy dandy battery testing machine. Oh, look at that. Imbalanced cells after all this time, over 10 years of use. 2013 pack that is. The cells are actually pretty imbalanced. Let me spin you round. You can see my mess. Yeah, have a look at that. 0.76 out. So it's not horrendous. Oh, 0.76, sorry. Almost fully charged. Working great, good cells. But when I put it on the tester, voltage drops straight down. What I will probably do is pop it on the tester with the and use my meter while I'm testing to see what voltage each of the cells are there. So I'll have to plug this back in to get the output from the BMS. But I'll probably do that, and I'll just make sure that when they drop down, that's why they're dropping down, because it might not be that happy. But yeah, if you like this kind of thing, if you found it helpful, knowing what's inside it, please feel free to leave a like, share, subscribe, comment on the video, tell me I'm an idiot, or if you want one of these things, I got a video on that as well. I've got a video on that. It's all great. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.